Hotel Doralba Inn, also known as Dolores Alba Hotel. It's another little patio area just off the pool. And actually parking for this hotel is very convenient because it's right here. And there's the entrance to the hotel area, and if you take a right, you'll end up in the lobby. Okay, so let me show you the room. No refrigerator. Does have TV and a small safe. And the bathroom. And right outside our room is the courtyard for the cafeteria. Just an FYI, if you haven't traveled to Mexico and stayed in hotels before, this device right here actually does control your ceiling fans. So if you can't find a switch or anything for it, look for one of these and that will control your fan. It's got a nice big pool and patio. Mike over here relaxing. So a quick recap on Doralba Inn, aka Dolores Alba. From the outside, this place does not look like much, but it is only 3.5 blocks away from the Plaza Grande. It's steps away from all kinds of shopping. It has a pool, it has a laundry service, it has free ice, it has free breakfast. So for all of those reasons, I am going to give this hotel a 4. So I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.